Hello everyone, my name is Jana. Welcome to the show where you get to ask a question about real estate investing and I find the answer for you. Today's question comes from a real estate investor who wants to transform his real rental property for under $5,000. And here's the advice we gave him. The first upgrade on our list is wall paint. Choose a color that's neutral but on trend. Our favorite color is Agreeable Gray by Sherwin-Williams. For this, we expect to pay $250 if we do it ourselves and $1,500 if you hire a handyman. Next, paint the baseboards and the trim. If you decide to do it yourself, the price will be around $35, and if you hire a handyman, around $500. Choose a semi-gloss ultra white paint. We like Behr paint. You can find it in Home Depot. Painting the front door is one of the most affordable ways to add curb appeal to your rental. Use exterior paint. We like semi-gloss because it's more wear and stain resistant. And if you're wondering what color to use, here's a fun fact for you. In American tradition, a red color door means welcome. Some say that black is a symbol of order and sophistication. The cost for do-it-yourself for materials is around $20, and hiring a handyman would be around $100 to $150. But for a larger door and more ornate door, it could go up to $300. A freshly painted front door needs a new welcome mat. The cost only $15. Another affordable upgrade we recommend is painting or replacing outdated light fixtures. Brass is coming back in fashion. Unfortunately, these are not the brass fixtures of the 80s. They're not shiny or brassy. So it's best to paint them over or replace them. If you have one of those huge builder grade mirrors in your bathroom, in your rental bathroom, it's an easy upgrade will be to frame the mirror instead of replacing them. Usually framing hides the delamination that happens around the edges and gives the mirror in the bathroom a brand new look. You can very easily go to Lowe's or Home Depot if you want to do it yourself, cut the molding. You can even ask them to cut the molding for you and just glue it around the edges of the mirror. There are some YouTube videos you can watch for that. Also, there is a website you can go to, and it's called mirrormate.com, and they will cut the frames for you and send them. It's a lot more expensive actually. If you get it from them, it's $150, I think, per mirror, as opposed probably $15-20 if you do it yourself. Do you have wood kitchen cabinets that need upgrading? Here is a very easy solution. Just paint them with a color that's trendy, replace the doorknobs and pulls, and install new countertops. We actually did the kitchen on the right. I think it cost us countertops and paint less than $600. If you decide to do it yourself, it's gonna cost only the paint, which is around $30, and the countertops around $300. And if you decide to get somebody to paint it for you, you're probably looking around $1,000 to paint the cabinets, plus Countertops probably around 500. So 1,500 to do this kitchen. I don't remember who said that the kitchen faucet is the jewel of the kitchen. And it is true. It makes a huge difference when you upgrade and paint the cabinets and you replace the countertops to also replace the kitchen faucet. You can get this done around, if you're doing it yourself, around 100 for good looking faucet, and if you hire a handyman, probably around 200. If you go with a plumber, I've seen bills as high as $600. One of the best things you can do for your rental property is clean it thoroughly. You can do it, of course, for free, or you can hire a professional for a house that size, 250 for the cleaning, and that includes windows plus $100 for the carpets. Pressure washing has a huge impact on the way the property looks in the photos, and that's when a tenant searches online, that's the first photo they see, the exterior of the home. So pressure washing, if you don't have the funds to pressure wash the whole house and the fence, you can pressure wash at least the driveway and the front part of the house so it looks presentable. And the cost for that would be around $150. And the last thing you can do to make great first impression and to add to the curb appeal of your property is edge the lawn, mow, and add mulch. This red mulch is really great to add color. It doesn't work in all communities, but if the property lacks any visual appeal, adding the red mulch actually really helps. So the total cost for this rental upgrade came under $5,000. It came at $4,815. And if you do it yourself, you save a lot of money. If you do it yourself, it's $969. Thank you for watching. If you have a question, please ask it below in the comments. And if you found this helpful, please subscribe.